Hello, Michael here from CMI Toyota. Today I'm going to talk to you about some features of the brand new Camry Ascent.
The Camry has been rebuilt and re-engineered from bumper to bumper and is the first sedan to adopt Toyota's new global architecture. That's transforming the way Toyotas are designed and engineered. Sleek and seductive, Camry Ascent's revamped exterior is now more aerodynamically efficient, which enhances fuel economy. The low steep bonnet gives clearer visibility to the driver, while its athletic stance and broad shoulders gives strength and stability that flow through to the tapered rear bumper. These stylish lines hide a highly rigid frame that delivers more responsive handling and precise steering. Settle into the new Camry Ascent and instantly appreciate the greater passenger space, elegant finishing and advanced technology. The 4.2-inch multi-information display hands control of essential trip, vehicle and audio info to your fingertips, while your ears will love the exceptional sound of the 6-speaker audio system with 7-inch colour touchscreen display. It includes Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, mobile assistant, mirrorcast, USB and auxiliary inputs. You can also connect your smartphone to Toyota Link for travel information, directions, real-time weather and more. On the road, the Camry Ascent's sophisticated 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine also delivers the wow factor. It incorporates the latest in lightweight design for high performance, excellent responsiveness and lower emissions.
Camry's new safety features will also impress.
Toyota has developed Toyota Safety Sense, a multi-feature safety package that helps keep you and your passengers out of harm's way. If your car deviates from its lane, lane departure alert issues a visible and audible alert. The pre-collision safety system also helps keep you safe, including forward collision warning, which uses radar to alert you to any threat up ahead. During braking, brake assist applies additional force, and if needed, autonomous emergency braking activates to reduce speed and mitigate impact. Automatic high beam senses approaching headlights and taillights, switching between high and low beam as needed, and active cruise control maintains a set distance from the vehicle in front, automatically accelerating or slowing down when that vehicle varies its speed.
And finally, in tight spaces, the reversing camera with moving guidelines gives a clear view of what's behind,
while the single-touch electric park brake adds an extra level of convenience. Camry's dramatic redesign has resulted in a high-quality, higher-powered car featuring even better fuel economy, sharpened driving dynamics and advanced new safety technologies. Plus, you'll also be covered by Toyota Service Advantage cap price servicing at only $195 per service every 12 months.
So why not book a test drive with CMI Toyota today? Call now or jump online. We look forward to seeing you soon.
We love to see